97 bit. 95, 96, 95,000, 96,000. So.
So look around, everyone in this room is making, when everyone in this room made that commitment to each other, to help each other, live by the values, love
Invest
every day.
in yourself.
Right?
Wait, hold on.
We said everybody, but Joe's not here. Where's
He
Joe
went
at?
missing again.
See it.
I can't sit.
Joe McAuliffe.
Hold on, Frank. Don't empower connect yet. Hey, Frank, can we give away a truck?
Let's give away a truck. That's our truck from Vegas.
Woo! I get to do all the fun shit. All right. How about our crushed it truck? Yeah.
Yeah, so for those of you in the office have seen this pretty piece of artwork sitting in our lobby. For those of you virtually, this bad boy's been parked in our lobby since we were in Vegas and picked it out. And drew a name, right?
We drew a name. I have the keys. We're going to hand that person a name. The epitome of crushed it.
And this,
we ready to welcome him?
Yeah, and this guy thinks he's here to talk about his project. Yeah. Right now.
Yeah, we sort of got away from the values and stretched the truth a little bit.
Lie. It was a white lie.
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of our truck for Crushed It, our man from South Florida, Robyn Orta. Where's Robyn? Come get the keys. Come on. It's your truck.
Well, here it's fine if you got the time.
Oh, yeah. I gotta say, I'm a little jealous about this one. Get in, try it out.
You know, like every truck, Joe and I have already driven it. It's pretty fun.
Ladies and gentlemen, Robyn's been, on various projects. He's really killed it for us over the year. When we picked his name out, it was really great to hear. Mitch and I and Frank were like, man, if that guy, if that don't feel good, nothing does. So one more time, you get to drive it home. I'm coming with you. Ladies and gentlemen, Robyn Orta.
So here you go. You have Power Design just talking about appreciation, that they're going to work on appreciating their leaders and their employees more. And I just started working with the company 7 years ago. All I've done is put in my 100%, do the best I can. And look at this. This is incredible. This is a dream come true. Not only the truck, but to be part of this incredible team. This is just an experience of a lifetime. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, Robyn. We're proud, man.
Design team.
Way to go.
Thank you, Mitch.
Way to go.
Thanks, Robyn.
Thank you.